Hello everyone, welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to create an account on OKX Wallet. First, open the OKX app and tap the sign up or login button. If you don't have an account, tap on the sign up option. Enter your country and select the I agree option under it. Tap the next button and confirm your location. Tap confirm and enter your email address. You can add a referral code, but it is optional, so tap sign up. Wait a few seconds and slide the bar to complete the puzzle. I will send a verification code on email. Enter the code. You can verify using your phone number as well. Enter the number and paste the code. Tap on next and create a password for your account. Make sure to satisfy the given instructions. Tap next and enable the passkey if you want. Otherwise, tap skip. Tap verify now to get up to 50 USDT if you want. Choose the verify now button and select your ID type. For instance, national ID card. Allow OKX to access your camera for verification. Tap on the continue button and your account will be verified. You can now start trading the cryptocurrencies. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.